हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द रियलिटी सर्कस। आज मैं डिस्को करने के मूड में हूँ। जी हाँ, confused? Well, don't be. I'm gonna tell you what I mean by that. But before that, time out, guys. Yes, Imam Siddiqui of Bigg Boss 6 fame has passed a controversial statement saying, I am not bisexual, but a lot more than that. Well, if you want to know what he means by that, stay tuned and keep watching The Reality Circus with me, Mansi. Karan Wahi will be seen in a newer star in the upcoming episode of Indian Idol Junior. His attire resembles the attire of Shahenshah played by Amitabh Bachchan. ये डिस्को थीम्ड एपिसोड में सभी ने पहने हैं एक यूनिक और डिफरेंट डिस्को कॉस्ट्यूम, बट करण वाही हैज मैनेज्ड टू टेक ऑल द अटेंशन. वेल, उन्होंने पहने एक फंकी गोल्डन ग्लासेस, शाइनी लेदर जैकेट और गोल्डन शाइनी बूट्स. करण वाही बन गए एक मॉडर्न शहंशाह. वेल, उतना ही नहीं, जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम बताया था कि एक सरप्राइज एलिमेंट है इस एपिसोड में. यू विल सी चीची, मेरा मतलब है गोविंदा, ऑन द सेट्स ऑफ इंडियन आइडल जूनियर. You will see him in his best dancing elements where he will be shaking a leg on songs like Kisi Disco Mein Jaye and Soni De Nakhre. But that's not all. You definitely cannot miss Govinda and Priyam's dance on Go Hi Yahan Aha Nache Nache. Yes, well, the top 10 contestants of Indian Idol are going to sing their favorite songs from the disco era. अभी बात करते हैं Time Out. Yes, इमाम सिद्दीकी के बारे में, जिन्हें आप जानते हैं Bigg Boss 6 फेम से. Well, like I said, he's back with a brand new reality TV show called Time Out with Imam on MTV, which will be starting on 14 July 2013. Well, what is this show about? Wait, I'm going to be telling you. Now comes my best part. Just for you guys, I have got an exclusive interview with none other than Imam Siddiqui. Hi Imam, how are you?
Salam, adab, vanakkam, sat shri akal, bonjour, bienvenue, boa tarde, ni hao ma.
Welcome to the Reality Circus.
Thank you.
Well, you've been accused for a lot of things, right?
Okay.
Well, आपने एक controversial statement pass किया है that I am not bisexual, but a lot more than that. So, do you want to please tell my viewers what do you mean by that?
Comes naturally.
Oh, really?
हर इंसान इंस्पायर होता है ना किसी न किसी से. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि मैं मेरे अंदर की जितने भी आत्माएं हैं, तो हाँ, like I'm not. Somebody asked me, are you gay or bisexual? I said I'm not. I'm neither gay nor bisexual. I'm trisexual. I'll try anything sexual, male, female, whatever.
Are you sure? I don't think so.
Time out.
पर मानना पड़ेगा, आप नौटंकी तो बहुत करते हैं.
I am the nautanki.
So what is this new MTV Time Out with Imam all about? Please tell them.
You know, I don't want to kill the suspense. You have to understand, these are the ingredients for any entertainment package. You have to have drama, you have to have suspense, you have to have horror, you have to have comedy. तो इस show में आपको हर वो ingredients मिलेगा जो एक अच्छा मसाला इसके लिए जरूरी है. What we're trying to do through this show is highlight the importance of personality using style as a medium of expression. हमारे फैंस जानना चाहते हैं कि आप जो इमाम बिग बॉस में थे और आप जो इमाम अभी है, क्या ये सेम है या डिफरेंट इमाम है? इस शो में भी आप मेरे नवरस देखेंगे, जिसके दो पहलू आपने बिग बॉस में देखे थे. जो बिग बॉस में आपने देखा था वो सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर था, जो आप देखेंगे वो असली फिल्म होगी. And let me tell you one thing, the Imam, I've realized this about myself. The person that I was before I went into Bigg Boss and the person that I've become after coming to Bigg Boss is two different people, ladies and gentlemen. I am not the same Imam that I used to be before I went into Bigg Boss. That Imam is over. वो बोलते हैं ना, रात गई बात गई, हटा सावन की घटा. I am not the same Imam. I have changed for the better. I hope. Time out. I am really excited for this new show of Imam. Are you? If yes, then don't forget to like the video. Also, आपको क्या लगता है, जितने पागल इमाम बिग बॉस हाउस में थे उससे भी ज्यादा इस शो में होने वाले हैं या नहीं? क्या लगता है आपको? Leave the comments in this section below. Well, it's time to go. But before that, how can you forget to subscribe to my channel? So don't forget to subscribe to The Reality Circus. Time to go. Bye. Karan Wahi has managed to take cut. इस बार आप देखेंगे चीची को, मेरा मतलब है गोविंदा को. Well, what is this show about? I'm going to be telling. Wait. So what is this new show about? Again.